Planting and growing watermelons in the United States can be a delightful and rewarding experience. The USDA and other trusted resources provide valuable guidelines for successful watermelon cultivation. Watermelons thrive in warm climates with ample sunlight. Choose a sunny spot with well-drained soil and a pH between 6.0 and 6.8. Watermelons need plenty of space for their sprawling vines, so plant them at least 3 feet apart in rows spaced 6 to 8 feet apart. Wait until after the last frost date to plant watermelon seeds or transplants. The soil temperature should be at least 70 F to 1 C for optimal germination. In warmer regions, direct seeding is suitable, but in cooler areas, starting seeds indoors and transplanting can help jumpstart growth. Plant watermelon seeds 1 inch deep and cover them with soil. If you're transplanting, ensure each seedling has enough space and water them well after planting. Watermelons need consistent moisture, especially during their growing and fruiting stages. Avoid overwatering, as waterlogged soil can lead to root rot. Use drip irrigation to deliver water directly to the root zone and prevent water on the foliage. Apply a balanced fertilizer at planting and again when the vines start to run. Too much nitrogen can lead to lush foliage but fewer fruits. The 10th of October 10 or similar fertilizer is a good option. Mulch around the watermelon plants to conserve moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Mulching also prevents direct contact between the fruit and the soil, reducing the risk of rot. Implement integrated pest management practices to control pests and diseases. Regularly inspect your plants for signs of pests like aphids and cucumber beetles. Applying insecticidal soap or neem oil can help manage infestations. Watermelons require pollinators for successful fruit set. Encourage pollinators like bees by planting pollinator-friendly flowers nearby. Harvest watermelons when the bottom side turns creamy yellow and the stem begins to dry out. The tendril closest to the fruit should also turn brown. Gently tap the watermelon. A hollow sound indicates ripeness. Store harvested watermelons at room temperature initially, then move them to the refrigerator. Cut watermelons should be covered to retain their freshness. In conclusion, growing watermelons involves choosing a sunny location, preparing well-drained soil, providing proper spacing, consistent watering, appropriate fertilization, and managing pests and diseases. Following these recommendations from the USDA and reputable sources can lead to bountiful harvests of juicy and delicious watermelons. Happy gardening!